everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. So today I'm going to do some photos of M3 and 4 with their one of their other grandmas, because they have 3 lucky children that they have 3. So I've got a lot of photos on this layout. I have 6 on the left and 5 on the right, so 11 photos in a 2-pager, and I am going to get embellishment on this, I promise. So that pink paper is from Bella Boulevard. It's the Bella Besties Hearts and Ombre paper in Peep, or Peeps, which is the pink color. And I'm going to do something that I just did last Tuesday again, and I'm going to just put the photos right onto the paper. That's more common when I do this kind of a layout where I have a ton of photos, where really if I had done a contrasting color with this, or contrasting paper, you really wouldn't have seen much of it. I did experiment with that a little bit when I was choosing the papers, which you didn't see. Sometimes you see me choose papers, sometimes you don't. In this particular case, you're not. And so I did play with some plaids and things like that, and you just didn't see it. So I'm not just playing with playing off the colors in M3's pants there. M4's little shirt that he has also has a big pink stripe in it. So equal time for the boys and girls on this, and pink with boys. I like to do that every so often, especially since I have lots of boys I get to scrapbook, and it's just kind of fun to, you know, break out of that mold a little bit. So just to talk a little bit about what I have at the top there as I'm finishing gluing these down, I pulled a bunch of Ellie's Studio embellishments from an old collection, and so I have that tag and the gathered together die cut. Those are from the Ellie's Studio Thankful Bits and Pieces, which is an old collection from when Ellie's Studio was still doing 12 by 12. R.I.P. I loved their 12 by 12, but oh well. All right, then I'm going to add in these pumpkins, and these are from the Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby's line, and it's the Le Petit Dimensional stickers, the pumpkins stickers, and I think those are still available as I'm posting this. So then from the Ellie's Studio, the little sister, brother, grandma, those cut-aparts came from the one of the cut-apart sheets from the Thankful collection. I don't have that name anymore. It's long gone. You can't get to it, but if you have that collection, it's from the cut-apart sheet. So I just added that in because it is sister, brother, and grandma here. Even though you don't see grandma, but I'll talk about it in the tag who they were with when I put the journaling on the tag, which is already there. You'll see that in the end. And then kind of just playing around a little bit here to add the pumpkins here. I kind of just like the way they're sitting on there. And it's a little different because they're not exactly photoreal, but they certainly are less whimsical than all the other Ellie's Studio pieces. And that's okay with me. So I did add in that on this Autumn Day piece, which is another piece that I got from an Ellie's Studio collection. I don't know which one. At the top, I do have that family die cut with the heart, and that is from the die cuts from the Thankful collection as well. Right now I have a label sticker at the top left, which is an Ellie's Studio piece, and then I'm kind of playing around with this from the sticker sheet from Thankful there, which is on the bottom right. Kind of playing around with some more, another in this case it's a sticker, but it's a little banner. I don't know what you call that. Anyway, that's a special moment. So I'm adding in, I'm trying to get some of the colors that are in the bottom of that tag into the layout in other spots, and that's what I'm doing with that bright pink there, that bright pink label on the left hand side. There's some bright pink in the grandma as well. So I'm toying with that, and there's that out on this Autumn Day. So I'm playing around with how I'm going to arrange those two. And then I did find this October sticker, and I have so few times that I get to use month stickers, or that I remember to do it, that I decided to use that gray sticker to pull in the gray of the gathered together, because I didn't have gray anywhere else other than in the lettering on the left. And then kind of playing around with a little heart there. Decided I actually have 2 of these sticker sheets in various stages of use. So instead I'm going to pull off some stars because I only had 1 heart. And I want to move the stars around the layout in a couple of different spots. So just kind of playing around with where that October sticker is going to go. And then the on this autumn day can go down there. And that is probably, well, it might not be from Thankful because it's a little whiter than Thankful. Still had a little creaminess to it. It's that old, but close enough. It's a die cut from Ellie's Studio. That's old. So now I'm going to scatter around some stars here. And get those down. I ended up putting that 1 star on the tag instead of doing twine or something like that. And then I'm going to grab the Altenew Warm and Cozy enamel dot sheet, and then just use some of the stars in lighter and darker colors from that sheet to scatter into each of the clusters here, embellishment clusters. So I'm getting some more orange in, because right now the only orange on this is the well, there's some orange in one of the pictures, but other than that it's really just the pumpkins, and I thought that was standing out. They still do really stand out on the layout, but I do like pink and orange together quite a bit. But I wanted to get at least a little bit more in there so it didn't look strange. Okay, all right, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.